Hello everyone, this is CRC Consultant channel. I am Ali here today with another video. In this video, I will explain StoreKeeper interview question and answer, which type of they ask you interview question and which type of you are giving reply to the interview questions. And first of all, the most important question, introduction yourself, and it's a very important question if you are going for any interview and any job for requirement. The first question is introduction yourself. If they are ask you introduction about yourself, and you need to say like in this question, my name is Ali and I am from Pakistan and my qualification is associate engineer, and also you are giving your father name and your date of birth, place name, and which city you are belong, like not giving like a big introduction, and like within half minutes, like 50 second or 1 minute, it's enough for introduction yourself. And the second important question, you are going for example as a storekeeper and they ask you what is storekeeper, and you should be know what is the storekeeper, meaning of storekeeper, and you need to say the storekeeper is a person who receiving this all material as per requirement and keeping in safe place and keep all record in the computer system. And you have also you need to know how to keep record in manually systems. And this is your answer for what is storekeeper. And the third question, they ask you like how to keep the material if you receive any like waterproof material like cement, how to keep this material in safe place. And if they are ask you like this question, and you need to say, if I receive cement, first of all I need to make space for the cement, and I need to know how many bags coming, and then you make a space, and after that you are giving order to supplier, they will bring your cement in the, which place you want to unload. And also the number 4, they ask you what is the requisition in StoreKeeper, and you should be know what is the meaning of requisition. And the requisition is the meaning, you need to say is the request paper we are sending to our head office or purchasing department. If we are sending this material to head office, they are fulfill our basic needs. Like for example, you need 500 bags cement, and you need to mention you need to make a requisition system, and after this request you need to signing StoreKeeper in charge, and after that, for example, construction manager you need to sign, and project manager. And after this 3% signs, you need to send your email like your head office and your purchasing department. And after that, the purchasing department, they are issue one LPO regarding your this requisition, and they are give you this LPO number and the supplier contact number. And after that, you need to first of all make a in your site and which place you want to unload this cement. And first of all, you need to make a space for like you need to first spread in the earth like wooden planks, and you need to use this polythene, and also you need to waterproof material. And after that, you make first of all you need to make a space for unloading this cement. And after all, you need to call this supplier. I am from this company, I have this LPO number, and I need this material and this time, this date. The supplier he will receive your call, and he's saying, okay sir, I will deliver your material as per your requirement. And this is the requisition. And also I will explain the LPO. What is LPO? If the interview person he asks you what is LPO, LPO is a local purchase order they are using in the storing system in the StoreKeeper. Is a very most important question. They are asking you what is LPO, you need to say local purchase order. LPO is a full form. And after all, the local purchase order we are using with our supplier, and we are contract with the supplier, and we are issue like monthly payment, and 15 days after 15 days payment. And the supplier is saying, okay, we are making agreement with the supplier, and in within 15 days we need any material, any requirement, and we send a request to our supplier. And after 15 days they are giving all bills to purchasing department. The purchasing department, they are issue payment to this supplier, because they are making contact with the supplier. This is a matter with the purchasing department and supplier, but storekeeper don't have concern. This is that's why I explain, because the subscriber and viewers, they are watching this video, and that's why I'm going very deeply. They are understand very easily, because I have experience regarding this job. That's why I explain. I decided make a video very deeply, and everyone understand how to make, what is requisition, and number second, what is LPO, and if you receive LPO, how to communication with supplier, and how to like first of all, if you receive any LPO, you need to check with your engineer, your construction manager, any person, you have any boss in your site and your colleagues. You need to know which time you need a material, because mostly sites we don't have more space and we are taking more materials. First of all, which time we need this material, and coordinate with the suppliers. The storekeeper job is a very difficult job. He is the one person arranging this all material and keeping this material in safe place, and he is the person, he is making inventory system in physically and in our record. This is very difficult job and very responsible jobs, and that's why I explain very deeply and friendly my colleagues, and also they are ask you very important questions. What is inventory system and what is a physically inventory? If they are ask you what is a physically inventory, and the physically inventory we are not doing every day. This is inventory like after 2 months, after 3 months, you have assets in as per in your sites. For example, you have one crane in your sites, like for example you have one boom loader or bobcat, like this is a assets company asset. You have vehicles in your site, and this is all in your record, and in the end of the month you need to check physically you have how many, you have machinery as per site, like compression machine, like different machines we are using in the field. The storekeeper, he should be know how many we have generators, like that na. And also the storekeeper every day he's sending demand to purchasing department as per site requirement, and keeping this all record in safe place. And also the storekeeper, he's the one receiving, if he receive any delivery, and he check the he should be know how to check the quality of material and what is the service, and the service between quality. If he know how to check the quality of materials, then he know what is the mention in LPO and what is what we receive in the same time. And the sometime the supplier in the LPO is mentioned is good quality, like wood or any like sheet, and the supplier he bring local sheet. You need to check with the LPO and you receiving same brand or no. If you are receiving same brand, then you sign in delivery note, and after signing delivery note, unloading this material. And first of all, storekeeper, what he doing this delivery note. The different companies, they are using different softwares like Bright System, Opera, and different categories, and you should be enter this delivery note in the computer system, and you're receiving this material, and after that you keep in your record. And also end of the month you are sending to the purchasing department this all delivery notes, because you are receiving according to the delivery note as per site. You are receiving the purchasing department, they are issue payment to the our suppliers. This is a procedure if you are working as a storekeeper, and I explain very deeply. And also sometime, for example, company buying rental material, and this rental material, your delivery note you are not keeping in your record, like you are not enter in your system, because this material going back, and this documents you are keeping in a separate file. And receiving time this material you need to check, like shutting material, how many ledgers, how many standards, how many projects they are coming. You need to check the quality, because sometime they are sending 500 in the delivery note, they are mentioned 500 piece, but you are receiving 450 piece. You first of all you need to account this all items, and end of the you agree, then you will sign. And also this rental material you are keeping in one file, and end of the work finish, and you are sending back this material to the company, and you need to check very like carefully. because if we are not checked very carefully, then we are facing more problems end of the project finish. And this is the inventory systems, and I will explain very deeply to my all subscribers. The storekeeper, he also know how to place order to supplier and how to make requisitions, what is the LPO, and this is the all basic things. It's not very difficult, but it's very responsibility work, and that's why I make a video my all subscribers, and I am explaining very deeply to my all viewers and subscriber. And this is the most important questions they are ask you in your interview, and they are ask you this mostly important introduction yourself, what is storekeeper, and they are ask you what is the inventory system, they are ask you what is the Hilti machine, they are ask you also related construction materials, they are ask you like any technical questions. I hope everyone like this video and subscribe our channel CRC Consultant. Thank you.